I need a bit more rice because I cannot eat tomorrow morning. I have to fast. So I think I better eat more rice to have some more energy.
Yes, kain na. Fasting.
You fast. Before I can fast.
Yes. Okay, ka lang. Tawag din si Vivian, kain na. Paborito nila talaga ito, guys. Yung gulay na yan, gusto ng alaga. Kaya gusto nyo. Kailangan niya maraming kanin kasi bukas ay alam na bis. Yan lang, simpleng ganito lang ang kanilang pagkain. Kain na, ma'am. Kain na. Kain na.
I thought you still taking picture.
Daw mo na, hindi na. Tama na. Si Vivian.
No, she's still doing her work.
Oh, okay. Iyo ita. Okay. Ayan, mga kapanda.